This is a compostable straw. 10 million plastic straws are used every day in Australia. After their short useful life, they end up in landfill or worse in the oceans and natural habitats. Our BioStraws are made with FSC certified paper, sourced from sustainably managed forests. FSC certification confirms the forest is being responsibly managed. This preserves the natural ecosystem and benefits the lives of local people and workers. An environmentally sustainable product is made, used and disposed of in ways that can lower its overall impact on the planet. Being made from paper, BioStraws can be home composted or recycled in the paper waste stream. This means BioStraws fit into the circular economy, where precious resources are reused locally, not sent to landfill. While it's always better to say no to straws, if the 10 million plastic straws used daily were replaced with paper straws, it would save 5 tons of plastic. That's the weight of 2 elephants every day.